और I always do things I know that लोग कुछ तो कहेंगे, इनका काम है कहना. It means वो तो आपको कुछ कहेंगे ही. This is the big hurdle. They are the big hurdle. So don't take.
I never knew like who is Neelam Dhingra. I knew only your surname, but that face was very familiar to me, which I watched last night. In that, when I joined you over here, and it is immediately struck me. Oh, she's the same Neelam Dhingra whose video I was watching last night. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. And how are you?
Yes, Neelam. Yeah, Neelam. Yes, Neelam only. Yes, I'm doing good, Neelam. And thank you for asking. How about you?
Yes, I am also doing great, ma'am. I am fit as pedal. Pedal, thank you for asking, ma'am. So we are interacting first time, and I am
Yes.
very excited to having you on my channel.
Okay, thank
So,
you.
it's little bit interaction from your side, ma'am, please.
Okay, so as you know, I'm Alka and I'm connecting you from Lucknow. Okay, the capital of UP. Yeah. So if I talk about my academic background, I'm master's in English. Yeah, if I come to my hobbies, I love to read and listen to music. And nowadays, my foremost hobby is to interact with different people in this way to learn English. Yeah, that's it.
Wonderful, ma'am. Wonderful. Now, from my side, I am Nilam Thingra. I am from Delhi. I had done my graduation, master BA, and I am an English teacher this time. And as you know that I'm a YouTuber, I usually upload the content, English content for the English learner. And meanwhile, simultaneously I am taking the spoken English classes also. So, ma'am, this is a little introduction from my side.
Very nice. Wonderful, wonderful. Nice to know about you, Neelam. So,
Thank you.
Neelam, is my picture clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Because from my side it looks blurred. Okay, let it be. Yeah.
Maybe, ma'am, poor network. We can say there is a, because of rainy season, we usually face this kind of problem. So if we stop our work, so it may we are disconnecting because there is daily network issue problem. We can't
Okay.
disconnect. Anyhow, some problem is there in vision and like for the volume also. But anyhow, we can go with that issue. Because
Yeah.
if we are not going, we are just draining our time.
Yes, right, right. So you are a teacher, you mentioned, no?
Yes,
You are a teacher. So what
yes.
do you teach? What do you teach?
English, ma'am, in the academic English in the school.
Okay. To which classes?
Yes, ma'am. Come again, ma'am.
To which classes?
Up to seventh standard, ma'am. Sixth standard.
Okay, nice, very nice. Okay. So you had a long vacation, summer
Yes,
vacation.
yes. But now again, we are again on the track.
Yeah, we have to. We have to, you know.
You are
Yeah.
also teacher, ma'am.
Sorry?
You are also teacher.
No, no, I'm not a teacher. I'm a
Uh,
homemaker. Yes, yes.
yes, yes. Great, great. But you now this stage you are putting efforts for this language. Really, it's great, ma'am.
Well, Neelam, actually, what at this age, like people ask me for what I'm doing, for what I'm learning, and at this age, we have minimum responsibilities. No responsibility of children. They are grown up. So
Yeah.
so this is all the time for me. So in this way, I am practicing also learning this language and passing out my time as well.
Good, fantastic. But you passing your time in good way. It's a very
Yes,
nice way.
yes. Thank you.
So some people pass their time, they kill the time while
Yeah,
gossiping. They are
yeah. Actually, Neelam, I can't sit idle. Never I'll sit idle. I'll be doing something or the other. So in this way, after my lunch, I try to do conversations. Yeah.
nice, man. It's the sign of the hustler person. The person who is not can't sit idle. It means the person is determined and hustler.
Yes.
Always what time anything he or she wants to do. They
Yes.
can't sit idle. No? So
Yes.
it is a quality. It is a good quality, ma'am. Really.
Thank you. Thank you. Yes.
So, ma'am, let's start the topic. Actually, you have so much experience in your life. Not okay, you are in this language, but also you are so you have naturally you skilled so many field also. So because you are looking astute person, definitely you are well versed in your so many fields. So any special you feel that you are very much very good at cooking, or maybe there's a lot of skill. Any skill you can fill the team, ma'am.
Yeah. I don't. Yeah, very nice question of yours. I'm not good at any skill, I can say. Not good at any skill, to be very honest. But yeah, the skill, I can't say that this is a skill of mine, but this is a quality of mine to make friendship very easily. So I do that, Yeah, so I can make friends very easy wherever I'm sitting, whether I'm on the train, I'm on the flight, anywhere. So if I am on the airport, on the railway station, if somebody is sitting next to me, I become friendly to that person, and yeah, very easily. It's not about that, at any age, like whether the person is older than me, the person is younger than me, whether they are children, whether the person is old. So I can make friendship with anyone, I can say, and very easily. So this is
It,
not a skill, it's a quality of mine.
it
Yes.
means an amicable person.
Yes, definitely. Yes. Yes, I am. Yes.
Yeah, you make the friend easily and
Yes, right.
create the friendly atmosphere within few minutes. Very nice, man. Very nice. It's a good quality because we should be always be happy and create the atmosphere like good and positive vibe. Like if we are good, we are happy. Definitely, we will talk to someone, whether someone in front of us, younger or elder, no matter. But when
Yes.
we are happy and we are amicable person, we definitely we try to talk them. And the
And then,
time, yeah,
children, also. There are so many children. They are my friends. Like, so I, yes, of course.
really, it's
And
a good quality.
my grandchildren, I have two granddaughters. They are very loving, and they are friends to me, as well as I find them like a quality of friends. Like they will talk to me very easily. Whatever problem they have, they won't discuss their mothers. They'll be coming and discussing with me. So I feel very happy. Yeah.
Because you are the good grandmother, man. That's the
Oh,
reason.
and like all, I think all the grannies are like that only. They love their grandchildren.
Yeah, ma'am, but some are little bit better. In
Um,
like you are so amicable, you are so easy to talk. So that's
yes,
the reason they feel you. They are your friend.
yes, right.
Nice, ma'am, nice.
Thank you.
So what do you think, ma'am? What thing keep us happy?
Sorry.
But the thing you feel that every time you stay full and clean. What thing we should follow to stay
Okay.
happy? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. For that, I think what I feel is that to remain happy, see, we can't gain happiness. We can't ask anyone to give us happiness. It all depends on us. How we take things easily. Somebody is backbiting us. Somebody is talking rude to us. So we shouldn't be like that only, like them. So I mean to say, it will, if we are not happy and we are taken aback very easily by other person's negative comments or whatever, so we are disturbing our mental peace in this way, right? So it's better to remain calm and just keep yourself away from such negativity. In that way you will be very happy. There are persons who are jealous of you and who don't like you and who will talk negative about you. So we get to hear so many things. So but not to worry about that, let them speak, let them talk whatever they are. So never back answer to them, never like hold grudges for them. So it's better to be in this way, you will remain happy, because if you have peace of mind, you will remain happy every time, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I totally resonate with you because there's a lot of person. Usually they criticize you. Sometimes they backbiting. Sometimes they tattling on you. But we should not give air towards them, and we should focus all the time all work, because
Yes,
ये
right.
तो दुनिया है, कुछ ना कुछ तो बोलेगी,
Ah,
दुनिया में कुछ ना कुछ तो चलता रहेगा, तो वी शुड नॉट कीप एन वी शुड नॉट we should not focus on your criticism and all these things, because this is only like we take it seriously, it can be a great hurdle in our growth,
yes, of course. Yeah,
and uh, it may be happen that we can become disappointed and dejected.
yes,
So
yeah,
yes, ma'am. So if we want to stay all the time energetic and full of beans, first of all, we should not focus to others' criticism or maybe comments. If they are good, we should take it wisely and mindfully and happily. But
yes,
the comments are detonating comments, which are just on our image and personality. Then even though we should stay calm and composed and take it easy. This is
ah,
the thing.
yes.
Mhm.
And we will have a like peace of mind, And
Yeah.
your peace of mind is disturbed, your health will also decline. Because
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the time if you are keep on thinking about that, so it will disturb your mental peace and even your health, right? So we should keep away from all these things.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, when we stay positive and happy, how we can say that it helps us to growth and career, and there's a lot of things more. It's help us. Just elaborate, ma'am, please.
Yeah, definitely it helps. Like when we are, what you mentioned, once again, please come with your question.
Yes, ma'am. Happiness and the self positive vibes always help us. So many in so many fields. What do you feel, ma'am?
Yeah, I feel that. See, definitely if we are happy, we'll be surrounded by the positive vibes. You know, it happened with me in one of the school. As you mentioned that are you a teacher? So what I remembered is I was for few months, I was teaching in a school. But their surroundings, like the atmosphere was very bad, very negative atmosphere. So
Oh,
I was not feeling happy. I lost my peace of mind. Then I thought it's like it will affect my health too. Then I left the school. I told the principal I don't want to come here anymore. So I didn't go. So I just declined and I gave the resignation letter that I don't want to join. So I mean to say that it really affects you. It really. And we can't keep on with our work very smoothly because somewhere the other you'll be overthinking about that you know if you have a bad atmosphere, definitely you'll go on overthinking about that. And when we overthink something, it will give us a good health, like a BP will shoot, it will give you like if you are not having any issues, you will get some issues, regarding to health. So
yes, yes,
yeah, so it's better to keep away. I told you, no, it's better to keep away from all these things. So
yes,
I did this exactly. I did. They paid me good salary, but what's the use of getting a good salary if the atmosphere is not good?
yeah.
Atmosphere is not friendly, so what's the use of money?
Absolutely right, ma'am. I
Yeah,
appreciate your way. You quit the job because you are not getting the right atmosphere. Because it's really, if you are not in right atmosphere, not in good atmosphere, it may worse our health, no doubt.
yeah,
And mind distraction is I think it's a prime thing about the main cause of deteriorating our health. So
yes.
first of all,
You know,
we
for a few days, for a few days, I started getting migraine, because I was overthinking about that. Whether I should remain in that school, whether I should give a resignation letter, what should I do that? So it gave me my migraine started since then only. So when I left the job, I had a really peace of mind. So
yeah.
yeah, so the migraine and all that, problems which I was facing, so everything got eradicated and I became well. Yeah. So atmosphere also matters a lot.
Happiness also mattered. Yes, those man. But you took the right decision, man. Usually, what happened? The because of the salary or the because of circumstances, people don't take this kind of decision.
Yeah.
They want to fade up with that atmosphere because of the circumstances. Maybe we can say, or one or second thing, when they got salary, they feel that it's okay, let it be. What happened when we are not in that atmosphere, good we are not getting good vibes. Uh, Inwardly, this atmosphere eats our health. It's directly adverse impact on our health. We sometimes we keep to know, sometimes we fail to know, but it's happen. It's
Yes,
happen.
definitely it happens. It happens with everyone. Suppose there is a child going to school, and in that school, some teacher is not happy with that particular child. A teacher might give. So nowadays, no teacher is giving the punishment to anyone. But suppose if the teacher is scolding that child and talking to that child very badly, and he will also lose his peace of mind. The child will be scared to go to school because he will somewhere or other he will fear to go to school. So yeah, so it means a lot really.
Yes, yes, right, man, right.
Yeah.
Nice, man. Very nice. Your standpoint, man. Really, it's
Yes.
relevant to this. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Because we need this time, if we are going ahead and we are in the navigating the path. First of all, we should stay happy, because
Yes.
happiness is the root cause of everything. If we are getting good, because if we are happy, definitely it's we are full of beans. It means,
Yes.
and when we are full of,
Yes,
yeah.
and we are the own creator of our happiness, and we can't demand any other person to give us happiness, right? So we are the own creator of our own happiness. So we should try to remain happy all the time, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Even though we are human being, we can't say it is very difficult. Sometimes it is difficult for everybody to stay happy all the time, because
Yes.
there is ups and downs in the life. We have to face some problems. That time it is very difficult to hold your happiness and calmness. But
Yes.
anyhow, if we go for that, we control ourselves somehow. So, to some extent, we can overcome it.
Yes.
Overcome it.
Huh.
Yes.
Yes. Of
Really,
course.
really nice point. You express your way and your experience. Anything want you ask, ma'am, from me?
Yeah, so I want to ask you, can you forgive somebody very easily? Like somebody is talking bad about you, somebody is, giving you bad remarks. So, can you very easily forgive that person?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Now we have grown up, or I would like to say yes. Now we have increasing our knowledge about this thing. How we should interact people. How should how should deal the other people. How should we take their opinion, advice? And some
Yes,
people, if they are criticize us, no matter, man. I am really done deaf ear towards them always, because if I focus on the circumstance and the criticism, I would never be go ahead, because
yes,
it happened. I always do things. I know that ये लोग कुछ तो कहेंगे, इनका काम है कहना. It means वो तो आपको कुछ कहेंगे ही. This is the big they are the big hurdle. So don't take them so seriously.
yes,
Let
right.
it be. Let it be speak. Let be them speak. So no matter. So stay calm and hold your peace, and
Mhm.
maintain your composedness. It is a good thing. I really believe in this thing, man.
Yeah. So, do you love to travel? Like in the holidays, did you go somewhere?
No, ma'am. I am homebody person.
Okay,
Yes.
okay,
I don't like too much travel. I
okay.
just want, if I any time I feel little bit low, very less it happen when I feel low sometime. Then only I want to go somewhere, hang out with my friends, or I can say that just in restaurant to have some coffee and tea. It's enough for me. I little bit cajole myself, anyhow convince myself. If I sometime I feel a little bit gloomy inside, so I can handle myself at on. It's no big matter for me. That day I usually don't go for any work. That day I off everything, and I just go with my heart and soul to restaurant, to analyze myself, to celebrate that day. And
And so, how your school? Like you are teacher in the school. So, how your atmosphere, like the atmosphere of your school, how it is?
yeah, ma'am, atmosphere is good. nice. But sometimes we feel the ambivalent feeling. We get the ambivalent feeling. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. So there are a lot of people. Some people are good, some are bad. In the staff room, we heard so many things, which is positive, sometimes negative.
Yes,
So
yes.
it's depends on the person how they
How you take
take
it.
the
Yeah.
things.
Yes. How you take the things. Right.
How to
Absolutely.
take the things.
Yeah.
Yes,
So it's
the
been,
person.
yeah.
Take positive. Yes, ma'am.
So for how long you are teaching?
Yeah, ma'am. I have been in this profession for 3 years, ma'am.
3 years. Is it an English medium school?
Yeah, ma'am. Is it? Is it?
So nice, very nice. Okay. So when you started speaking, when you first started speaking, and you like how you feel that the changes you see in yourself, like you have become confident, you can speak to anyone, you can speak on any topic. So all these things have been improved with you, right?
Yes, ma'am. Because when we are putting efforts, we are putting our heart and soul. Definitely, there is God, and definitely it's happened. It pays off. So I would say yes, improvement is very. I am. It is visible to me. I can see. I can analyze. I can feel. There's a lot of improvement in myself. Confidence as like in the fluency. Now I have created my YouTube channel. I am uploading conversation video daily at basis. My previous channels deleted because of my phone is got virus. 400 subscribers
Oh,
delete, man.
exactly. I was watching your video, the same incident you were narrating to some other YouTuber, and I watched your video like yesterday only. But the
Yes.
other person to whom you were talking, I forgot that because while I was about to sleep on my bed that
Yeah.
time,
Yeah.
I was watching this video. Yes, yes, I know this episode of yours.
My last videos are rotating in the channel, but it's
Ah,
not now in my link. My have this is my new channel, and
yes, yeah, I
I
know.
I really upset, but anyhow I overcome. And now I started new. I created new my channel, this channel, and
Hmm.
again I started putting efforts with my heart and soul. So to that time I feeling that it should be grow like earlier.
Yeah,
So,
it
and
will. It will.
going
Yeah,
on,
you
ma'am.
are working hard. You are such a good speaker. So it
Thank
will
you.
work again. Yeah, things will
Thank
become normal with you. Yes,
you.
definitely.
Okay.
So yesterday only I was watching your video. I told you no, but I can't recall with whom you were talking to. But as I saw your face, I never knew like who is Neelam Dhingra. I knew only your surname, but that face was very familiar to me, which I
Okay.
watched last night. In that,
Okay.
when I joined you over here, and it is immediately struck me. Oh, she's the same Neelam Dhingra whose
Okay.
video I was watching last night. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. And really, I'm also happy after having you here, and your company is so nice. Really, I'm really in from my heart, core of my heart. Really, I appreciate your standpoint as well, ma'am.
Thank you
And
so much.
give me your precious time again. I want to connect with
Yes,
you
yes.
again.
If you anytime you can connect with me, anytime, whenever
Okay,
you
ma'am.
want.
Thank you. It's nice conversation we had. Really insightful conversation, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Neelam. Thank you so much. Yes, God.